Hi, my name is Michael DenDekker. I'm a New York State Assembly member representing the 34th Assembly District. I'm here today at the American Debate League to see the boys and girls participating in an active debate competition.
Social media allows young entrepreneurs to create small businesses on their own minimal effort.
Today is March 7th, 2020. We are hosting our first ever American Debate League tournament over here. I've been coaching debate for 4 years now, and this is the first time where we have the opportunity to host at our school.
The pros side attacked our first argument, which is social media lacks privacy and can lead to intrusions and leaks.
My name is Rochelle, and we're debating on social media, and is it like good or bad for the society?
I like debating because I get a chance to show my voice and what I think about the debate topics. We shouldn't stop using social media because you could, if you want to become an entrepreneur, you could put advertisements out there for social media.
I thought that I could have done a little bit better, but overall I was good. And the other team that we were up against, they were pretty good too.
You agree that even you use social media? If yes, why would you want to take away social media?
That's what debate teaches everybody, how to communicate our thoughts and our intent of whatever we're debating, whether it's a policy or an issue. My name is Michael DenDekker. I'm a New York State Assembly member, and this is American Debate League.